Welcome to Insightful Products. We help people walk. One of the ways we do this is with our custom brace line. Our braces are specifically designed for each biomechanical pathology. For instance, for medial instability, we have the Blaze MI design. If you've done braces in the past, you know that medial malleolus drives into the medial upright during mid-stance. This brace design is a little unusual because what we've done is we've taken the medial joint and moved it up and away from the medial malleolus. And this allows for more comfort because now when that medial malleolus comes into play during mid-stance, it's cushioned yet controlled. Having total contact on the medial side gives us better efficacy. We even did a navicular window. Now you'll also notice that we have a fifth ray cutout. Allowing that fifth ray drop gives us better correctional opportunities on the medial side, plus it fits better into the shoe. This is the Blaze design for medial instability. This design is for drop foot. This is called the Step Smart brace. With a PLS AFO, it may seem that it's flexible, but it's really just too stiff. So when the patient hits the ground, their knee is buckling. They may struggle with that buckling, or they may end up having to take a shorter step length. The Step Smart brace is designed not only for swing phase, but also for stance phase. Normally you'd see the joints on the medial-lateral sides, but the new posterior positioning of the Jacob joint allows you to dial in the right amount of shock absorption for your patient's needs. This is done with the bumper system. Each brace comes with a full set of bumpers with different durometers and allows you to find the setting which is best suited for shock absorption. The Cuboid lock brace is specifically designed for lateral instability. You may notice when you invert your foot that the cuboid goes through a large amount of excursion. We take advantage of that. The mechanics of this strap really controls that inversion by locking it down. This is called the Cuboid lock design. Our schooner design is a leather gauntlet which solves two of the major problems you have with these types of braces. One, it's easier to put on, and two, it doesn't force you to upsize the shoe. Let me explain. For donning, this brace incorporates special speed lacing which opens really easily. Then the patient just uses the finger loop to pull the brace on. Afterwards, the speed lacing with one pull allows it to tighten all the way down. This is important because compression is really what you're after with these type of designs. As for donning it into the shoe, what we've done is we've done a trim line that comes behind the medial malleolus and navicular. This achieves two things. One is that you no longer have to worry about impingement on those bony prominences, but also by having a trim line behind, it fits better into the shoe. Another technique we've used is to make the trim line up a little higher in the back. Again, this is to allow it to fit better into the shoe, but it's a dual purpose. Because it's flexible in the transverse plane, it allows the squeezing and the good compression that you're really after to help these patients. The primary diagnosis that you use this for would be arthritis. You'll notice that we've already done a lateral malleolar window for these types of cases too. Our braces are specifically designed for each biomechanical pathology, and we expect that you're going to find better outcomes because of that.